Right here I have this 11-in-1 USB-C hub. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like and tell you a little bit more about what it can do. So this is what it looks like right here out of the package. This is everything that it comes with besides the user manual, which does go in detail about how to use each of these ports, which is nice. So I'm just gonna show you all of the different ports and what they do. Right here on top, we have the audio and mic port. This is gonna be the 3.5mm typical mic port. And then right over here on this side, we have these 3 USB 3.1 ports, and these are all 10 gigabytes per second. And then this one right up here is a USB 2.0, and that's gonna be 480 megabytes per second. And then if we turn this over to this side, we have a HDMI 1 right here and an HDMI 2. I do like that there are 2 HDMI cable inlets right here. And right down below that, we have another USB 2.0, and that one is also 480 megabytes per second. And then right down here at the bottom, we have a PD 3.0, and that's gonna be your standard Type-C charge cable, would fit into that. And then right here at the very top, we have a VGA adapter, and this is for 1080p. And we also have this adapter that's called an RJ45. And that one is 1000 megabytes per second. I really like the wide variety of things you can actually do with this cable. For example, if you have a Windows computer, you can extend this to 1 monitor if you're going from your laptop and you want to show something on a larger monitor. You can use this for that. You can extend it to 2 monitors and even 3 monitors, which I think is really cool. And then if you are using this for macOS, you can extend this to 1 larger monitor, to 2 monitors, and then you can actually also extend this to 3 different monitors if you're using 2 HDMI ports and 1 VGA. You can also use this for a lot of data transferring, which would be really nice just to have all of these different ports in one place. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I would use this. All right, so right now I'm set up to add an extra screen to my laptop right here. I have this connector right here, and I'm just gonna go through how I'm gonna set that up. It's gonna be super simple to do. All I have to do is plug the HDMI cable from my screen. You can plug this into your TV or whatever you are using for your screen. I have the HDMI cable plugged into there, and then I'm gonna plug the other end right in here to this HDMI port. And then to the other side here, I'm gonna plug this Type-C side into my laptop. So now that I have these screens connected, I can just take one of my tabs, for example, and I can extend it over to this other screen. And that way I can have multiple tabs open at the same time. So this would be a perfect example if you wanted to be able to have multiple tabs open at the same time, and you wanted to maybe watch something while scrolling through something on this one. And then depending on what you are wanting to do with your extended monitor situation, you can add multiple different screens to this as well. Overall, this was super simple to use. I think this is really going to come in handy.